you've been working with the government?
My name is Ruth San Jose Bering. Ano pa next question?
How many years you've been working with
32 years in service.
Next po, what is your position or office?
Still teacher 1.
Next, why did you choose to work with the government?
So in government, siyempre sure natin na ano tayo, yung bang secure. At least pag retire, may pension. English talaga isasagot?
Okay na po kayo.
Ah,
What will make you stay for more years with the government?
inspire ako dahil sa mga pamilya ko, sa mga anak ko. Siyempre, mas choice ko rin talagang maging teacher. Noon pa man.
What are the benefits of being a government employee?
Marami. First is, yun na nga, pag-retire mo, may pension ka, secure ka, at least monthly sure mo na may sweldo. And siyempre, para sa pamilya.
How long would you want to stay to work with the government?
Hanggang pag-retire ko. Pa-retire na rin ako.
Is there something that you would want to get or have from the government, like benefits, leave, health, and or health benefits?
Yes. Katulad ko, pa-retire na ako. Medyo marami ng karamdaman. So, especially sa health talaga, kailangan ng kailangan ng medyo maraming mga maintenance, gamot, lalo na sa part ko, parang may sakit na ba ako. Mayroon na akong gallbladder stone, kaya nga, pa-retire na rin ako, 1 taon na lang.
Next po. What age would you want to retire and why?
At the age of 63, mag-retire na.
Bakit?
Gusto ko na rin siyempre, mas fresh air doon. Saka talagang hilig ko magtanim.